Discover the 7 surprising benefits of castor oil. 1. Promotes healthy and lustrous hair. It helps grow hair, fights dandruff and scalp infections, and prevents damage. It's full of antioxidants and fatty acids that nourish and moisturize the hair and scalp. 2. Nourishes and rejuvenates skin. Castor oil is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids. These help to hydrate dry skin. It also reduces fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin more elastic and helps fight aging. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties fight acne, reducing redness and preventing more breakouts. 3. Boosts eyebrow and eyelash growth. It's packed with antioxidants and fatty acids that boost hair growth. This makes your eyebrows and eyelashes look healthier and fuller. 4. Supports digestive health. Castor oil detoxifies the gut. This is crucial for a healthy balance of gut bacteria. A balanced gut is essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. It also boosts the immune system, lowering the risk of illnesses. 5. Relieves joint and muscle pain. We've all felt joint and muscle pain at some point. It can come from injury, arthritis, or too much activity. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps reduce swelling. It also helps ease congested lymph vessels and improves fluid flow in the body. 6. Strengthens nails and softens cuticles. Nail and cuticle care is key to our beauty routine. Castor oil can strengthen nails and soften cuticles. This prevents nail breakage and helps damaged cuticles heal. It also promotes healthy growth for your nails. 7. Enhances overall wellness. Castor oil is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids. These help boost our immune system and lower stress. In today's busy world, managing stress is key to staying healthy. Adding castor oil for stress relief to our self-care can make us happier and healthier. For more information, visit www.pouted.com.